about sunflower story. Wow, there sit on the ground, and I want to take it home and put on the pot, and then mommy will happy. After I put it in water, he's seedling, and then he grows up.
Wow.
After he grows up, he wants to sow the flower. And then after the flower is open, the seed of the flower is falling down. And then I put a seed again, and then I put it in water. After I put it in water, he grows up. After he grows up, he grows up. After he grows up, he wants to sow the flower. And then after he sow the flower, he want to the seed of the flower is falling down again. And then you time is for you tell the story. Oh, done. And see you later again. This is my flower. And then his name is
Wow. Remeh.
my flower telang. And then my flower telang is grows up. The flower is so small, he cannot sow the flower. After he big, he can sow the flower. After he big, every time the seed of the flower is falling down.
Part. Oh no. Part of the flower.
This down of the flower, there are root, and then there's stem, and then leaf, and flower of the top of the flower of the top of the stem, and then see you later again.